Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Susan's Just Making It. I'm Susan and I'm here making stuff, messes, chaos, and making it through life. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time watching, welcome to my channel. If you like today's video, don't forget the thumbs up. It's right down here. It takes a quick second. It means the world to me and it really helps my channel. Hope everyone's doing amazing today, and I am on here to share a Dollar Tree haul. I went shopping a couple days ago and I went into Dollar Tree. There's a few things I needed to pick up and a few things that I didn't need but I picked up, and I thought I would share it with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive right into it, make it a short, quick, sweet video, and show you guys the goodies I picked up. Some for me and some to share. First things I'm going to show you are a few items I picked up. I'm going to be doing a DIY and a video that will be coming up within the next couple days, so I needed to pick this stuff up and get that out of the way first off. So I'll share those first and then I'll get into some of the other goodies I grabbed. First off, I picked up two of these chip dip plates. I've got the two of them. They're just the plastic acrylic plates. I'm going to be using these in a project, so I picked up two of those. I also picked up two cake pans, round cake pans that'll be used in the same project. So I grabbed two of those, and I also picked up this acrylic tumbler, which they had like a clear and like a smoky gray. I don't remember if they had other colors. I was debating between the two colors. I went ahead with the clear because I'm going to use it in the same project as the trays, and I thought it went well. And then I picked up 3 packages of these acrylic gems. I've seen these used in a lot of projects, but usually I don't see them at the Dollar Tree where I go. So I picked them up because they actually had them this time. So those are going to be used in a project here within the next few days that I'll be showing on YouTube. And I had to get something else that I couldn't find at Dollar Tree, but that's what I found at Dollar Tree for the project. Then I'm just going to grab this container that has the other stuff I got. Wasn't really a huge haul, but it was pretty good, I guess. The first thing I picked up besides the project stuff was some bubble mailers. I got a larger size and a smaller size, so for giveaways and friend mail and whatnot. I was running low on mailer, so I grabbed up a couple of packs. I also found these butterflies. These were over in like the floral stuff. They had these orange ones that look like the monarch. They had pink ones and blue ones, I think. I have a pack of pink ones I got before, and at the time that's all they had were the pink ones. The blue were pretty, but I grabbed these because I thought they were a little bit more realistic and neutral. Definitely will be using these in crafting. I love butterflies anyway, and there's a lot of sizes in there, so I'll use those. Let's see. I picked these up. Do I need them? No. Did I get them? Yes. Why? Because they're cute. I didn't need them, but I definitely will use them. So I just thought they were too cute. I put them down at one point, and then I put them back in my cart, and then I put them down, and I put them back in my cart. I'm like, just get them. So I grabbed those. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I picked these up. These will be going in giveaways. I thought they would be nice to travel with your brushes. Like if you're traveling, you can throw your brushes in there. I had one of these anyway for myself. It's a little bit bigger, and it actually, didn't look at these if they do or not. These ones don't. I have one that I got at Five Below about a year ago, and it's bigger than this, but when you open it, it actually kind of it's like gusseted on the bottom. These ones aren't, so you can kind of stand it up a little bit. But even if you're traveling and you have your brushes in there, if you just unzip it partly, it kind of will stand up a little bit if you lean it against something, so you can get your brushes in and out and then zip it back up. But I saw them and I thought they would be nice to put in a giveaway with some other makeup items because they're really nice for traveling. Keep your brushes together. So I picked up a purple and a pink one to share. I also picked up this. It says wash up and feel renewed, clean, and revived. And it's watermelon and coconut oil. It's a makeup melt, and I have one already, so I grabbed one that I could share. And I think watermelon coconut oil probably smells really good. And when I found that, I also found this Soothing Facial Gel Cleanser, Rose Water and Aloe. And again, this is to share. I tried to pick up a handful of things to put in giveaways so I have stuff on hand. That way, instead of scrambling to the store, I have a few things on hand. Let's see, I also picked up, I already took it off the packaging because I started to put stuff away and I'm like, wait, I didn't show everybody what I got. Actually, I bought 2 of these. One of them I'm wearing right now. But I picked up 2 because I have a lot of hair clips. I wear my hair up a lot. I hate hair in my face. I hate it on my neck and stuff if I'm sweaty. I have a lot of them, but for some reason I just like this style. My hair is kind of thin and fine. So sometimes the clips, they don't really hold my hair well. My hair falls out. The clips start sliding down. These work really well. I like the shape of them. I like how they're flat here so they rest against my head well. And I only had one, and I really liked it. It was my favorite. But one evening I was watching TV and I took it out of my hair and I set it on the floor next to me and my drink and my remote and stuff. And when I picked up my things to go to bed for the evening, I picked everything up and I must have forgot this. Well, needless to say, the cat found it and I haven't since then. I have no idea what she knocked it under. I've looked under as many pieces of furniture as I could think of to look under. I can't find it. So when I saw these, I'm like, I'm getting 2 of them. So that way if I lose one again, I still have a backup. My cat is a kleptomaniac. She steals everything. I mean everything. If you can't find it, she's probably stolen it. Let's see, what else did I grab while I was there? I picked up some of these NYX eyeshadow sticks. I picked up 2 yellow ones and one of the pinky red colors. The yellow ones are, the name of the color is Dangerously, and the pink one is Find Your Fire. One of each color will go in my bin with my giveaway stuff. Now, I have these, and the reason I picked them up for giveaways is I have one of each of these, and I really like them. I wore these in the Simple Summer Makeup Look collab that was on June 1st to do my makeup look. And that's all I use for my shadow. They have nice color. They're easy to use. And since I liked them so much and they still had them, I picked them up to share. And I picked up an extra yellow one because I want to share this with someone that commented on it. They like the yellow color, so I'm going to share that with them. So I picked up an extra one for them. Let's see, what else do I have in here? I picked up a little highlighter. And again, this will go in the giveaway. I'm not just picking up because they're Dollar Tree items and cheap to have on hand. I picked up items that I have purchased and I use myself and I've enjoyed them, so I got them to share. The stuff I haven't used or I'm kind of iffy about, no, I'm not going to pick up to share. But stuff that I have picked up and I use and I kind of like it and it's not bad for coming from the Dollar Tree, I'm like, well, I'll share it with somebody else because I thought it's a good value and it's a product I enjoy, so I will get it for somebody else. Some people say, oh, well, anybody can go to the Dollar Tree. Yeah, but not all Dollar Trees have the same stuff. I watch videos on YouTube and people have stuff at the Dollar Tree. I'm like, I never see that at my Dollar Tree, you know. So I just picked it up because I thought it was nice. And I've never seen these before either, so I picked these up to share. And the only reason I'm not keeping them for myself is because I have quite a few lipsticks that I need to work through before I start adding a ton more. And I just like the packaging with the stars and the crescent moons, and I don't know, I thought the colors were really pretty too. And I don't think, I'm not sure where the names are of the colors. I thought I saw it, but I don't remember where I saw the color names, because it's not on the front or the top or the bottom. It's somewhere on the tube, but I can't remember where I saw it. But anyway, there's this one that's more like a reddish color, and then this one's more of a corally color. This one's got, the packaging is actually black, and this is more like a navy blue. So I got these to share as well, to throw in with some other items. And I got myself a Jade facial roller. This is one of the smaller ones. And I have some other facial tools. I have like a T-bar, and I have the stone. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name because I know I'll not get it right. but I didn't have a facial roller yet. I know a lot of people use it when they put their face mask on. I'm always on Mask Monday doing this, so I thought I would get it for Mask Mondays. And I was with my sister shopping once, and she was going to pick up one at Five Below. I'm like, why are you buying it here for $5 when you can go over to the Dollar Tree and get it? And they haven't had them after you opened my big mouth and said that, but they did have them the other day, so I picked up one. And I don't know if they had a lot. I just found this sitting down with some other stuff, so I grabbed it. I don't remember if they had more in a section, or I just found it and grabbed it because I saw it. I picked up a gift card that is going to be given away, the Domestic Goddesses collab. That's my prize, so I made sure I picked up the gift card for the winner. And let's see, I picked up, I'm gifting this to somebody that I think will enjoy it. It's only $1.25, but I'm giving them some other items, so I thought I would throw this in as well. A shoe eraser for all the scuffs and stuff on the white part of your sneakers. I wish they had these when my kids were teenagers and they were always spending all this time cleaning their shoes. I probably would have kept like 20 of these on hand at any given time, but I saw that by the checkout and I'm like, you know, somebody that might be able to use that, so I grabbed it. And then I only picked up a few more things. It was a relatively small haul. I picked up a whole bunch of masks, and these are, again, to go on my little giveaway bin to put in. I feel like a giveaway is not a giveaway if you don't throw at least 1 or 2 face masks in there. So I grabbed a bunch of these to have on hand. The Bio Miracle, I got a chocolate face mask. It says exfoliating and brightening chocolate face mask, chocolate and strawberry. And then I have, let's see, the Cupcake. It says purifying and refreshing cupcake face mask, hyaluronic acid and vanilla. And that cupcake looks so cute. And then I picked up the ice cream face mask. It says soothing and moisturizing ice cream face mask, creamy milk and honey. And actually I did use this one in a Mask Monday, and this one smells really good. I really liked it. And then I got the cooling and refreshing peppermint face mask, cooling mint and cica. And I have one of these for myself. I haven't tried it yet, but I do have one for myself, so I thought I'd get one to share as well. I didn't use this peppermint face mask, but I used another peppermint one once, and I really liked it. It had a slight tingling, and when I was done, it felt like really refreshing. My skin felt really good. So I also picked up the Hydrating Paper Facial Mask, Watermelon and Sweet Mint. I have one of these for myself as well that I had already. I haven't used it yet, but I have some facial cleaning wipes that are scented like this. I got a pack and a giveaway from Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and then I had a pack, and I love the way these smell. They smell, this fragrance here smells so good. I mean, it's one of the best smells I've ever smelled. So I hope whoever gets this will enjoy it, because I know it's going to smell amazing. And then I also picked up, it says Mango Nourishing Fruity Facial Mask. So I picked this up to share. I'm not a fan of mangoes, but I know some people love them, so I grabbed that. And then I also grabbed a pack of foot masks from Be Pure and hand and nail gloves from Be Pure. And this one's lavender scent, and this one is Nourishing Avocado. I mean, obviously it's got the avocados, but I didn't know if it had anything else. So, hand and foot mask to share. And the only other thing I picked up, I'm just looking around to see if I didn't leave something laying around. The only other thing I picked up were 2 of these clear acrylic organizers. And I don't have a particular thing in mind to use these for, but a lot of times the Dollar Tree I go to, the acrylic ones sell out really fast. Like, you can find all the like different colored plastic ones, but anything like this goes as fast as they get it in. And I'm like, I don't have anything in mind, but I'm gonna grab them because I know that I can use them for something. They're nice, really nice size. If in a drawer, the refrigerator, bathroom, wherever. So I'm like, I better just go ahead and grab them. So that's all I got from the Dollar Tree. A really modest haul. Basically, I went in there to make sure I got the stuff for the DIY project and the gift card for the giveaway, and then I knew that I wanted to check and see what kind of face masks they had. And like I said, I went ahead and picked up the bubble mailers because I need them. And then when I went down like the makeup beauty aisle, I just saw these few things that I grabbed. Of course, they have Dollar Tree's getting, so they have a lot in the like beauty items, but some of them are like, I wouldn't use them, so I'm not going to buy them to put in giveaways for somebody else. The only things that I bought like to put in my giveaway bin are stuff that I've either used or would like to receive, because I'm not going to give people stuff that I wouldn't even want. And like I said, I had already had one of these, and these are, you know, smaller and stuff, but I thought I really like mine when I want to take brushes with me, and even though they're smaller, they'll do the job. And just, you know, a nice little addition. And I mean, they're big enough for the brushes, they're just not as fancy as the ones from Five Below. So, you know, just little box of makeup, throw one in, there you go. So very small Dollar Tree haul, but I thought I would share it with you guys before I put everything away. And if you want to give away, one or two of these things may just be in the box. And I just, like I said, just picked up some things that I thought I would enjoy as well. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I tried to be good. There was a lot of stuff, and I'm like, just walk right past it. Don't even look over there. Don't even look over there. Keep walking. And I tried to be good. So that's why it's a little bit more modest. There's a lot of times I'll go in there and they'll say 95, whatever, and I'm like, how did I spend $100 in the Dollar Tree? But those of you that shop there know what I mean. So that's what I got a couple days ago. I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and I'm glad that you guys decided to stop by and spend a few minutes of your day with me. So until next time, bye everyone. Don't forget to like. Bye.